Somebody stuffed an Eevee in the fridge!
Do you still have a noob tube in this as the hunter?
Yes, I believe you do.
Sweet. So yeah, I wasn't.
Laser. How goes it?
Oh, stream started?
Up, buddy?
Sweet.
Yeah, we is live.
I started last round as a shelf, and Kordak, you walked right past me, and I was like, I'm so well hidden, I need to move, and then I saw the chips.
How do I become something?
Click on it.
Left click on it.
You can only turn in. You can only turn into something though if you have an outline around it.
How do I lock it again?
Lock is C, apparently. Hello? Oh, this is a recording studio. You know what, screw this, I'm going on an adventure. Hello, Mr. Freeman?
How do I talk?
Hello.
Hello.
We are looking for you.
Oh my god, this map is absolutely caning my frames.
Well, I can't even see everything, so everything's perfect.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Oh, oh, the Tiki girl is Yang.
Oh, it is awesome.
Wait, what?
Yang
I want to
from
see that
Ruby.
from.
Hold on, where are you, Cloud? I want to see.
See me jumping over here?
Yep.
The only thing I see, the only thing that's missing texture for me is Dell.
I don't see you. I've lost you.
I'm in here. Wait, where'd you go?
Over here.
Oh,
Right
come
here,
on.
in here. Kiki girl.
I get it, it's funny. Alright, now back to what we're actually supposed to be doing. How many people are taunting?
I've been taunting every now and then.
Oh, hang on. I know what may be the problem.
Shadow Slayer, how's it going over here, buddy?
If
Yeah,
it's back into place.
I've noticed the frame rate tanking too, Rob.
Okay, something changed here.
Sometimes maps like these are really detailed.
Hello, Doc.
Get,
Oh god! Oh god!
I did not track the computers. It was totally someone else.
I found a baby that has creeper skin.
Sweet.
Here, Kyle, where are you?
Boom.
Over here. I'm over by the duck corpse.
Duck corpse.
All of a sudden, I'm just tracking
that.
the whole entire place.
No. Alright, who's left? We're looking for Kordak and Dell.
That's bad. Yeah, I forgot I'd accidentally
Dr.
changed
Pepper.
my settings. Oh my word.
Oh yeah, I found Achievement Hunter offices.
You didn't help. Jeez. This map is just literally cancer for frames.
Yeah, I know. It's probably because it has a lot of detail.
I wish I
Well,
could
Gucci
see.
Rob, you are just a
Are you
generic
okay,
guy,
Rob?
you're not Archer.
Rob, speak to us. Are you okay?
Oh.
I hear a lot of crashes over there. What is going on?
That's Shadow Slayer smashing monsters.
Yeah, Shadow Slayer for some reason is just smashing everything.
I approve of his way of finding things.
Oh wait, we're supposed to be finding things.
Yeah.
Yeah, props.
I'm just tracking it for no reason.
Wait, what?
I thought you guys were supposed to be looking. I'm just tracking everything.
Oh,
Why,
that's cool.
why are you not dead yet?
Oh, there's a dead duck here.
Yeah, I found the duck. Take
So
that
who is it
microphone.
we're looking for? Dell and Kodak still.
Yeah.
Yep.
I haven't heard either of them taunting, so I'm either on the complete opposite end of the map or they've stopped. Rob's on my
Okay, where's
Swiss.
Dell?
Found me.
I found Kodak.
What the hell is
What the
that?
hell?
I assume that's a taunt.
There's only Dell left.
There's also only.
Shadow, what did you do to this area?
Wait. That
The only,
must
other,
mean
the only problem for me for this mod, there's no free roam spectator.
Wait a second. That must mean Dell's somewhere around here.
Well, I'm somewhere on the map.
Cause he's so
Yeah, if there's no free
trash.
if there's no free roam spectator mode, and he knows that it's here somewhere. I heard a fly.
Props win.
Tell me what.
Really?
Oh,
You failed, bitches.
I was about to
Spent too much
interrogate a
time
pup.
looking at-
All right, Rob. Do you want since we're having such bad frame rate, do you want me to go ahead and get it?
No, we can do another couple of rounds on here. My frame rate's a lot better now. I just remembered that I had changed my settings, so I was actually streaming at like 1080p instead of like. Oh my!
You know how close you were, Shadow? Holy shit.
Which time? He kind of hit the entire room.
Yeah, he shot a bunch of shares and shit and didn't pick up my share. Left everything else.
Wow.
Everything else but me.
It was like the one chair that was not disturbed.
Yep, that was me.
All right, I am going to be amazed if I manage to win with this hiding spot. But at the same time, not really.
I cannot see everything.
I think there's a problem with my prop.
Shadow, how's it going over there?
It's going swimmingly for him. He's
All right, that's fine. There's one of them's around here.
now pretending to be a corpse.
Good plan.
Somebody's definitely been in here. Look for a can.
These are good hiding spots. Been all of you.
I know which one is you. Hello.
Oh yeah, I should rotation lock before I get spotted. I'm going to forget that a lot.
Rotation lock is awesome in this mode. It's like so handy.
Oh, can you like rotation lock yourself clipped through walls?
No, it's just awesome the way because I would have been standing out like a sore thumb if I hadn't rotation locked here.
Shadow, what happened to you? Oh yeah, that's right, you died.
Why am I flying around like this?
Are you flying?
Ah, that's awesome!
What?
The Yang bobblehead.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Hi.
Well, I don't know if you would understand the joke because it's Ruby.
Yeah, it's from one of the shows.
So I can see shit.
I haven't watched that show.
Oh, Surgeons in Space starring Michael and Gavin? I want to see that! The periodic table of rooster teeth.
How are you,
I
my
have
friends?
No idea what I'm looking at.
I'm among my people. How are you, my friends? We have an imposter among us.
You should see. Okay, Rob, I'm gonna send you a picture.
Okie dokie. What will it be? Oh my god, Del,
Oh,
not
the
again.
fridge door is even open. Wow,
They do?
This is a really, really detailed. No wonder our frame rates are tanking.
Hi.
Check the normal chat, the pub chat.
PUBG chat. Oh right, that's what you're getting. Yeah, you need to download those textures, buddy.
I have. I can't see shit. Look, a cone. Give me some hints, people.
I've been taunting my head off this whole time.
Hi.
Laptop.
Don't shoot the laptop.
All the taunts are a lot more realistic.
Yeah, there's no like mental ones, is there?
Yeah, I'm sad about that.
Well, Gordon Freeman. And about time, too.
I found my favorite taunt.
Seagulls.
They're here, over here, somewhere.
It might be seagulls.
He's a goddamn seagull.
You're above me, aren't you? anyone here?
I don't know.
Is somebody here in this room?
No!
No! He found me! My people!
Found a cloud.
What were your people, Kyle?
I was a can in the fridge.
Oh!
When Kordak opened the door and said the door's open, I was just like, oh, they do? No one suspected a thing.
Let's just run away.
I shot the fridge, not the can.
Oh,
I know, I was probably half through the wall.
Somebody stuffed an Eevee in the fridge.
I want to see!
Oh,
C2. How do you unlock?
Rob, go to the fridge. I want to see my body.
You press space, I think.
No.
It doesn't work.
Control.
Don't worry, Cal. I'll send you my footage video.
oh.
I was a seagull in the fridge.
Rob, give me a hint.
I am.
You
What
are?
Giving... He's over here.
What didn't you? There he is. Search and destroy.
One more.
Oh, they're getting close,
You
Rob.
should just be grateful that you're getting some.
Rob, I can hear you. He's over here. Like me.
He's onto you. Run. Go at the other side.
Don't worry, everyone pass him.
Excellent.
He's a distant
Eevee's
memory.
tail and ears are still sticking out of the fridge.
Kordak, send a screenshot so I can edit it in when I'm editing.
I could probably just send you
Aw,
a
cheers,
clip
Razor.
of mine. Okay.
Oh, Dell, no.
Yeah, it feels like in this
This might make it
version, it's a lot easier to hide as a prop.
Yeah. Especially in this map, I just closed the fridge behind me and no one knew. I was just taunting my little ass off, and then Adele shot the fridge, and I guess I clipped through it.
Yes. What the fuck is the fridge speaking to me?
It's even worse if you open the fridge, because there's so much blood.
Right,
Nice.
where's the
Thank
fridge? I'm moving towards the fridge.
Okay, if you go, I think from here, if you go to the right. No, to the
Okay.
left. To the left past that very differently colored wall.
Past the green screen wall, isn't it?
Okay, yeah. I think it is. I'm not positive.
Can't see it. Oh, hang on. Is it back here?
Go there now, Rob. I want to see Eevee. Oh.
No.